Hey friends, Jackie here from Interact, and today I want to show you how you can create a quiz that points people to the right offerings that you offer in your business. So I was just working with Tally through our Interact AI program where I was able to build out a quiz for Tally's business, doing exactly that, taking the offerings that they have for their audience and then asking a few questions to point people to the right thing that they would need. So let me show you how we can build that for you. So here I am in ChatGPT, or I use the playground of OpenAI. Same thing. You can see over here, I'm on ChatGPT 4. And the first thing that you're going to want to do now that you've figured out the title of this quiz, in this case, it's Are you ready to take your business to the next level? But really, in essence, it's Hey, what do you need to accomplish this next thing? Which offering do you need to do this? To accomplish this goal. So you can create any version of that title. Of course, AI will help you do that. If you use Interact AI, essentially you're giving us your website and then we're creating the quiz for you. Exactly what I did here for Tally. But once you have your title, the next thing that you're going to want to do is pinpoint or finalize the offerings that you're going to want to be pointing people to. So these would be your quiz results. After people answer the quiz questions, what outcome do you want them to get? Which offering do you want to send them to based on what they told you in their quiz? So in this case, Tally has 4 different offerings. You can see them here in the outcomes. And just real quick, I have all of the prompts that I use to write this. I'm putting over here in the systems section. All of the prompts come from our blog, How to Write a Quiz with AI. Or of course, you can submit your information at ai.tryinteract.com and we can do this for you. And then the outputs or the actual quiz that's getting written is here in the assistant section. So this is what ChatGPT is giving back to me after I ask it to complete these certain things. So the first thing was the offerings or the results that we're giving people, and we're just getting back a brief description of what each offering is, so that next we know what questions, or AI will know what questions it needs to ask in order to point people to the right place. Now there are 4 offerings that Tally has here, but we did add a 5th outcome of like, hey, there isn't really an option for you. And this is really just for somebody who is not ready to invest in their business yet, therefore is not a good fit for Tally. That's not somebody that Tally wants to be working with. So we added in this 5th result of, hey, you're not ready to invest. Therefore, check out these free resources. There isn't a course that you're going to want to sign up for because you're not ready to invest or pay for it. So then the next prompt was asking the questions, and you can see here, I get the questions as well as the answers that people will be choosing, and it points each answer to one of the specific offerings or the specific result that someone will get in the quiz. So after you've completed this after you've submitted all of the prompts here in ChatGPT, the next thing you will do is copy and paste this over to your Interact account to actually build out your quiz. Now, again, with Interact AI, we do all of this for you. We do the copying and pasting to build this. We even connect the logic for you. So this is showing, based on the answers someone is choosing in this quiz, this is where this is the result that it's leading to, or that they should get based on that. And that's as easy as it gets, really. Again, follow the prompts in our blog, How to Create a Quiz with AI. Your results will be the offerings that you want to point people to. Or if you need any help or want us to do it for you, simply go to ai.tryinteract.com and we will build out the quiz and return it for you.